Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify Authenticator app in Binance. Use Microsoft Authenticator with Binance. So let's get started. So here we are on our Binance app, and from here to enable the Authenticator in our account, you need to tap on the Binance button on the top left of your screen. And then from here, you want to tap on your profile picture right here. So if you have one, tap on that. And then the next thing is you want to tap on the security option right here. So tap security. And from here, you want to tap on the Authenticator app to activate Authenticator on your account. And from here, you can download the Authenticator app, or you can just simply tap on enable it. Tap enable. And then from here, you would need to copy this 16-digit key. So tap on copy. Once you've copied it, you are now ready to paste it here in Microsoft Authenticator, or you could also use the QR code right here. So if you have your other device, you can just scan the QR code right here. But since we are only doing this with one device, we're going to be using the 16-digit key. And from here, go into the Authenticator right here of Microsoft. So let me just do it again. And here it is. And from here, to enable the Binance or add Binance here, you would need to tap on the plus button on the top right of your screen. And from here, tap on other. And from here, tap on enter code manually since we are not doing the QR, and paste the secret key right here. And of course, do not forget your account name. And from here, I'm just going to name this Binance right there and tap on finish. And there we have it. We now have the Binance 6-digit code, and we're going to copy that. We're going to copy this code right here. As you can see, copied. Go back into Binance, tap on next, and just enter the code right here that you have just copied and submit. And after that, as you can see, we now have the Authenticator app here in Binance set up, and that is the Microsoft Authenticator app. So that is how easy it is on how you can set up your Microsoft Authenticator here in Binance. So when you go back into Microsoft Authenticator, you would now have this 6-digit code for Binance, and this is what you will need to use when you are logging in into your account in Binance. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.